Nope.
It straight up smelled like feet. Yung pawis na nakulong sa sapatos level. I was at a German grocery and saw these cabanos sausages in 4 flavors. Classic, chili, chicken, and cheese. And bilang Asian girl who eats everything with rice, you already know what's about to happen. I opened them one by one. They all smelled smoky and meaty, except one. The cheese one. Oh, babes.
Nope.
It straight up smelled like feet. Yung pawis na nakulong sa sapatos level, pero sige lang, ipupush pa rin natin yan. Starting with the classic. Safe, smoky, juicy. It reminds me of a softer beef jerky but with more fat and flavor. Pwede sa snack time or yung tipong wala kang time pero gusto mo ng something savory. Next is chili. Not too spicy, more of a slow burn. Sakto lang to wake you up, lalo na kung night shift ka or may ka-text kang nanggo sa'yo. Spicy sa simula, but still comforting. Next is the chicken cabanos. Oh, hello, underrated queen. It's lighter, less greasy, and has this herby aftertaste. I didn't expect much, but it ended up being one of my favorite. And now let's try the cheese cabanos. I'm not gonna lie. It smells like feet that lost their way in life. But when I bit into it, creamy, rich, salty in a good way. I was disgusted but also impressed. Parang toxic relationship na hindi mo agad mabitawan. Then, syempre, I tried them all with rice. And yes, it worked. All of them. Even the feet-smelling cheese one. Cabanos with rice? It's giving emergency
Okay, let's
ulam
go.
but make it European. So, if you're ever curious about cabanos, classic is your safest bet. Chili with rice? Life-changing. Cheese? Just open it far from your nose, sis. Even though you see them everywhere in Germany now, cabanos actually comes from Poland. It's a traditional thin smoked sausage originally made with pork. The name comes from the word kaban, which used to mean a young fat pig raised for this sausage. Thanks for watching. Bye!